Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Black Shoes here. Not been on for a while, but on YouTube for a while, but I'm back and that's beautifully smooth with the new update. Pre-release 2. We're gonna fix something here. Make it a bit more stable. My computer is needing updated, so you know the story. But I don't know why, but I need to build a chicken farm for constant food because I will tell you now that other farm is a pain. Quite literally a pain. Biggest pain in the world, so I don't like it, that cow farm. It's okay, I'm not gonna tear it down, but it's not something I want to keep forever. Also, I feel I want to build a chicken farm, like my Cremated Fried Chicken on the server, which I really like and gets me lots of chicken and feathers. So I think I'm going to build one. I'm kind of bound though to the level it's at, kind of. I guess I could build it a wee bit lower. Well, I've not really got a big storage room yet, so I'm adding things as I need them, and I found that I need eggs now, so I've just randomly been finding these eggs in my storage system clogging it up, so I'm going to have to find the chicken and, well, kill it unfortunately, but you know, I'll do that in due course. I'll do that humanely. Probably. So I've kitted myself up with a stack of hoppers. Iron Farm's working again, and to celebrate that I'm building the Iron Titan by Tangletech, which is going to maybe work. Anyway, today what I'm really focusing on is just taking out all this area because I want it to be bigger, quite honestly. I really do. I really want this to be a lot bigger. I want to build a plaza in the middle of it. It's going to be really cool. So I'm going to start doing that, and I'll be back pretty soon with an update. But anyway, today's agenda, in case you didn't hear, or just to go over it, recap once, it's a chicken farm, and I'm going to read a comment out at the end because I think that's really cool. It's a really nice thing to do, to notice your comments are being acknowledged. And not just kind of take them on here and there. I'm going to actually properly read it out because I like doing that. It's good. And the thunder started. This world, it rains so much. Like, too much. So I don't know, but like, I know this wall I want to be like stone bricks kind of thing. Because I like it. I like the stone bricks. I like the way they look in underground. It looks good. It really looks like something that will support the roof, which is important thing to me in a cave because I don't want squished. That there. Okay. So I'm going to do some hollowing here. I'm not going to put any haste down here, it's just not worth it. I'm going to put haste around though the base and speed and things, you know, potions. I'm not going to use potions, but I'm going to use beacons because I think in the end up they're cheaper. It's true. So that's basically how Cremated Fried Chicken works. My chicken shops, they work on the kind of basis of if you kill a chicken with lava and don't burn its stuff, you'll get cremated fried chicken, cooked chicken. But I like my chicken overcooked, so Cremated Fried Chicken's the name. This steak, I've got plenty of it. The farm's not done me a bad turn, you know, ever, but I just kinda, you know, want another farm in the base. But basically I'm building a new area just now. I'm kind of making a new like hallway because I know there's more cave down that way. I think. No way x-raying in 1.8 yet, I don't think. Lucky I've got all the caves I want lit up anyway. I've got the ones by the Squid Farm lit up if there's any water. If there's a massive water spill in them or something, there's going to be a disaster. Put it that way. Well, if I dig, brighten all this up, if I dig this way just, I want to make like a garden here full of farms and things. There'll hopefully be some cave way over here. I thought there was, like with the nether portal, it's much lower I can tell, but you know, I thought it would be like, it's going to have a high roof this area. It's going to just be a nice area that I can do whatever I like with. Suggestions are always welcome. So, I'm going to get to work with that and I'll be right back. I'm sorry I had to take a break and come here and watch this. It's just so funny. So many squid. got an adjustment I want to make. Right, well that's an issue in itself, but it's nothing we can't solve. Nothing. Right, since there's no restriction, like they don't need to be pushed down or anything, these things, you just, with squid you're just trying to get them along in any way you can, and why in the name of goodness are they dying here? Go over. Don't do that. Oh my, I don't have looting. Or any inventory space. Great. So I got 54 and there's a ton of them coming. So I need to do some fixing here. For that I need another workbench. I'm making so many workbenches I used like a stack of wood to make a workbench to make them work. That's why. I'm actually just going to dispose of this. Hope it despawns because I just can't store them. It's going to, you know, so Cammy's absolutely the same. He'll be uploading soon as well, but we can't get onto the server to upload a video because just don't have the time, you know. Busy people. Lots of stuff on our plates. Have you been putting your eggs into my squid farm? Was it you? Because I've been going down to the squid farm just to check the ink, you know, check the ink colour and everything, make sure the colouring's all good. It'll be him! It was you! And he's just been laying eggs right into those hoppers. That may have seemed brutal, but trust me, I've had enough. Enough's enough. Right, I filled that one in. Also, Minecraft modded madness is, with Crack Pack, is over. Because I cannot run it. To any standard. Like, I logged in today and I couldn't get above 15, not recording. Welcome back, I've finished the building. The first thing I'm going to say is it's not going to last very long. I don't know, been made of wood or something to start with. I also got a Silk Touch diamond pick that I might already have had, but I can't remember. I just found it in my chest, so thought I'd make use of it. Start using it up. So yeah, I built this. It's got quite a few chicken in it. What happens is they go down here and they get spat out there, the eggs, which is really low at the moment. I'll show you the redstone. It's very simple. It also may burn down, so blocks that aren't totally necessary like that I've got to be careful about. Okay, I expect there to be a small fire. It's just a clock here, they obviously come down. Start the process a wee bit. So it's got, I had to kill the chicken and then make some more and then get some more eggs and everything. So I do still have quite a bit of stuff. Got some ender pearls that I got, 9 iron which I'm going to go and cook. Also, pre-release 3 is out for 1.8, which means 1.8 is just around the corner. Hopefully there will not have to be a pre-4, but I would rather there was a pre-4 and a really good 1.8 than a pre-4 and no pre-4 and a really bad 1.8 that's full of bugs. You know, another snapshot's not always a bad thing, but I seem to get horrible lag around here because I'm like, oh, alright, it's just, I've literally logged in, that's why. Okay, put F3 away so you can't see the frame rate. Just judge it probably. Right, okay, what can I filter? Yep, I can filter that. This is what we're going to be working on as well today because I've just finished the chicken farm. The chicken farm's going to kind of run slowly. I'm going to work on more stuff down below since I have lots of comparators. I'm going to make lots of repeaters. Yeah, it's over here you go down, isn't it? It's round the corner. Boop. Oh, that's odd. I didn't break that. Okay, the water's also disappeared, which I made quite a thing of placing. I placed tons of water. Tons and tons. Okay, so... Sorry. Sorry, that was very unprofessional. Gonna cough again? No, I'm not. Okay, put a bucket in. That in there. That in there can go together. That there, that's good. Iron, it's looking really quite good. I need to check the minecart's running because it wasn't last snapshot. It's a bit of an issue. Oh, it is. It's running quite fast actually. Run faster than it was the last time. Anyway, but today we're going to try and get some more of these put together, so we need more chests to start with. I'm just going to make lots and lots. Empty my inventory into just like... I always empty my inventory into the dirt one. Gonna have to sort it out though. I made a stack of quartz stairs by accident, so I'm a wee bit annoyed about that. That's okay though, I can deal with that. Okay, right, let's see how many I can do with this. 10. 15. Oh, there's another stack of wood, right, okay. It's good. I was hoping for a wee bit more. 23, it's 12 and 11, that's fine. Do need some more wood though, to make the stuff for the traps. Perfect. Get everything I need now. It's great, this Let's Play. Get everything I need. I never run out of stuff anymore, and it's kind of... I don't have all the tools I had last time or anything. I just kind of feel I don't run out of anything though, which is a wee bit almost like I'm playing a creative world and I'm beginning to kind of notice that my worlds are beginning to be kind of creative-y, which I don't really like, but it doesn't bother me hugely. Okay, so I've got 12 trap chests. Nope, that is already a trap chest. Could do a bit of this on camera, just so you can't see I'm like spawning anything in, because I'm absolutely not. There's another reason I'm hauling this out of my Silk Touch pick, because this makes repeaters, and that's good. It's really, really good. Also made some damage potions in case there was problems with the chicken farm. I didn't build the chicken farm, I just kind of... I did build it obviously, but I didn't build it to burn down, it was just an accident. It wasn't very clever, I wasn't really thinking about the lava involved, but if it works it's a miracle, if not then let it burn. Basically I've taken every precaution. I've got more eggs anyway. From the squid farm. Squid farm's more of an egg farm than a squid farm, really. It's hard. Nope. So it's quite a big room. This it needs to be quite. Needs to really be quite big. It doesn't work when it's tiny. So anyway, today I'm getting. And this storage room is more for blocks. Things like tools cannot be used until I can find out how to sort unstackable items. For example, a pickaxe, but things like diamonds can quite feasibly be sorted. As you can see, it's quite good when they get sorted because, you know, not losing it then. Like I usually do. Okay. That's plenty. Got a stack of hoppers made for this, for just this thing. This is how organised I am. I've made a stack of hoppers, I mean. I always do that. Always kind of I like to have like a stack of the hard things to make, like the comparators and things ready. It does this thing where it jumps me back a wee bit. Like I go back in time. I'm like a Time Lord for a minute. Okay. Okay, so I'm just hopefully gonna get this working, because I don't know how they work in 1.8. I really don't. I don't know if anything's changed, but they seem to just be fine. I mean, since I fixed them, they're fine, but they do break when you go from 1.7.10 to 1. To the pre-release. So watch that. I don't feel a pre-release is a snapshot in a way, you know, because it's a proper, solid pre-release, and I did make a backup this time. It is getting really laggy when I walk this way, which is a wee bit weird, and then I get like 120 up that way. I think it's probably the cows, which I might remove. I'm going to scale down the cows anyway because I'm not actually using them for anything at the moment. You know, I've got no reason to really have them. Okay, so I'm trying to make something for every stackable block in this game here. I've got a nice cave here, so a bit of open space, which will be nice. Change, stop lagging, please. Okay. I like a bit of space when I'm building. I don't like to be all cramped and everything. Like sometimes there's no avoiding it. I like compact redstone. Not most of them, like this is pretty compact for a sorter. You know, I mean, it's good. What I also might do is kind of sort it into categories, but I'm not going to do that anytime soon. You know, because I kind of I got more to do. It's taking me 2 days to film this. Probably going to take me another 2 days to edit and get it uploaded, so yeah, I can't upload it constantly because I've got other commitments. For the moment I'm going to put a chest there for all just stuff it doesn't recognise. It'll just go down into there. Okay, so now I need to go around the back of this, and I'm going to hollow all the way down to here, under here. In building this stuff around the base, it does take a long time, but this isn't something I can use the ATNT or B haste for, so okay, welcome back. It's funny to see a dark spot because I'm trying to get rid of them for a mob trap I'm going to build soon, hopefully, if I get enough resources to build it. Because it's quite an expensive one I've got planned. It's nothing cheap, but it, you know, it takes a lot of redstone. You know, I have a lot of redstone. You know, I've got about 20 stacks of it, but I want to keep some. I want to still have some when I'm done, because this is going to take about another 4 stacks. This what I've built here today. So I'm going to need to go make a stack of repeaters for this. And then a ton of redstone for it. Redstone to 3. Need a stack of sticks, which I need that wood for. It's not going to make a stack, it'll make a stack of sticks. Okay, oh, nah, it's not a stack of sticks. I'll just put that in like that, and then stacking 12, that's good. Stack of redstone torches. I'm going to make half of them into repeaters, which will make 16 repeaters. And then I can go across there and get 17 of them. Okay, so that's how I do things around here. That's how things are done. Oh, so harsh with the lag. I mean, goodness, it's gone kind of mad. Okay. Also, the iron golem farm. I can't put a time in it. I've no clue. Could take. Oops, that's my phone. Yep, it's fine. It's alive. These Nokias are really tough, even though the Nokia Lumias. Got a Nokia Lumia 520, and it's so strong. I was gonna get like an iPhone, but then I thought that'll be broken in like a day. I'm not gonna delay these because I've heard you don't need to. I don't think. But if there's any issues, I'll know what's gone wrong. Okay, so need to run along here. I'm running out of cobble. I want to build it all out the same thing. The way my base goes is redstone mostly sits on cobblestone, so I need to be careful if I'm mining any cobblestone around my base. Oh dear. Because it's likely to have redstone on it. I also think I'm playing in vanilla texture again, so I like it. I think they might have changed the texture of cobble ever so slightly. It's got almost a wee bit of like green in it. Grey, green. Or have I just got horrible eyesight? Probably the latter. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in case you want to build it in your base. Because I feel it's important that I show people how to build what I build so that they don't think, oh, how do you build that? You know, because there's a lot of tutorials out there that are either wrong or outdated. This is for 1.8 as it's just come out. It works from about since hoppers came in, really, about that kind of time, probably a bit after, but People had to work it out. You know, I'm not sure who invented it. Probably Cube Hamster or someone. You know, one of these guys that does all the big redstone stuff. Like, you know, or Seth Bling or something. Ah! Oops, I delayed it. Wants to be a fair test. Nothing will interrupt it. Okay, so this is it all set up now. And one thing I want to sort is stone. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the last one that's powered. Say stone, there's stone there, that's okay. What I'm gonna do is, you need to put 20 blocks in here, so that'll make 5. Now 2 of your desired block. Okay, so then when you put one more in, it'll pass through and into the... Oh yeah, it holds one in there for some reason. Likes to do that. So if I go to my input here and put all my stone in there, if I want to... I'm also going to make it so you can make more stone automatically. I'll do that on camera as well actually. So yeah, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hopper facing downwards. But I'm going to have to power it like instantly. I'm going to have to immediately power it. Or there's going to be trouble and things like that. Right, so that can't take anything in now. Okay, and these have to be made so they can... there needs to be one of these made so it can like down there. There'll need to be something that can... furnace system that can do stone really quickly, because there's nothing I hate more than 2 things taking ages. Oh right, the minecart chest's in with something, I can tell. Or it's got stuck. No, it won't have. It's just busy draining. So it's not lightning quick, this sorting system, but it's reasonable. Okay, there's a problem here. Something has been taken in somewhere else. Oh dear. Right, okay. Problem. Oh yeah, I forgot. Never mind. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got this worked out. It's not working yet, but I've got it worked out with a pulse extender. That this will let through a randomish amount of items, which is good enough for me. I don't understand this. Right, oh yeah, I need a pressure plate. A button's not good enough apparently. But I put a button there. This needs reset because it's sitting at the wrong kind of way. And I've done it wrong. Okay, this is time to watch Black Shoes on camera panic for a start and wonder why I'm not doing something wrong. Then try and redo it. Okay, so that sends a current down there reasonably slowly. Don't uproot anything. Oh no, that's the... I'll know which one. I'll put an item frame or something there. Okay, so I need to come in here. Dig that out. Put that to full. That to full. These all need to be on full delay. Absolutely all of them. To be lazy repeaters. Take time. Dear. Okay, this is confusing. This isn't confusing at all. Oh, yeah, these can't connect for any reason. Right, so now I'm gonna power this. How am I gonna power it? Help, I'm confused. Okay, I'll power it there then. I'm so confused. Get rid of that, that's not good. Place that one first, then place that one, makes it stable. Wait a minute, I need to place them in the other order. Okay, it's a bit of an issue here. Problem. Never mind, I'll be right back.